Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a fine morning today. I'm feeling great. So, today is Sunday, and yes, I've been to church. It was virtual, but I was there. One eye open, but I was there. I was present. Listen, guys, I hope all is well with you and your family. But today I'm going to be cleaning that bed for that corn, and I'm going to drop that corn today. I'm going to drop that corn today. I'm going to give you all just a couple of updates on some of my vegetables in my garden today. And yeah, I'm just gonna walk around and just share what's going on, all right? But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yes. Good morning, everyone. These are my radish. So in here I have all different varieties of radish. But I saw this on yesterday morning. Look at that. The one I'm looking forward to the most, of course, is the watermelon. But I've had her last year. But here is another radish right there. They're really doing good. So a lot of them is coming up. And the greens looks amazing. They look just amazing in there. So I'm really looking forward to it. So Jody and I, we gonna eat that. Yeah. But so I have a question today for many of you gardeners. So when I was a child growing up, gardening was not a hobby. No, guys, it wasn't a hobby for me or my family. It was a necessity because this is the way we lived. Now, let me just say this here. I grew up in a home with my mother, my father, a sister, and a brother. My youngest sister came late down the road, 12 years later, really. But my father and my mother, they worked very hard. They worked very hard every day. But they still needed that garden. That garden was still needed. Now, I hear a lot of people say, I garden because I want to know where my food comes from, or they want to save money for not spending so much money in the garden, or they don't want to eat a lot of foods with chemicals on it. And if you choose to buy organic, you may have to skip paying your light bill. So my question is for you is, why are you gardening? Why do you get up and do all this work? Because, don't don't fool yourself. Gardening is not all glamorous. No, no. There's not no all glamour going on with gardening. You're out here, you're sweating, you're bending, no makeup. If you have on makeup, don't do it. Don't ask me how I know. I think I heard Led say something like that. Not about the makeup. So, to just answer my own question, I'm going to share with you why I garden today. All right. Years ago, of course, as I said, I gardened because it was a necessity. Today, it's not necessarily a necessity. If I don't get a harvest today, it doesn't mean that I'm not going to eat. All right? No, it doesn't mean that I'm not going to eat. I'm going to eat. But the reason I garden is my garden is not necessarily all about the food. No, it is not all about what I put into my belly from this garden. What I get out of this garden that goes in my belly. No, it's not about that all the time. No, it's not. Many times it's about the mental part of the garden that helps me the most. The garden gives me peace. Yeah, it gives me peace. Where I can go in my garden and I can drop all of my cares, all of my burdens, all of the crazy things that's going on in our world. I just drop them, y'all. I just drop them. And they don't exist. Not in my garden. Mm-mm. And because at this part of my life, I am 64 years old, I'm retired. Yeah, and these plants, they hold me accountable. Yes, they do. They hold me accountable. So what I'm saying today have nothing to do with anyone else and everything to do with me. All right? This garden makes me not only healthy because of what I put into my body from it, but it makes me healthy because when I'm out here, I exercise. Oh yeah, baby. It's a workout. It is a workout. Yeah, so the mental part of gardening is so awesome. It's so much more to the mental part of gardening for me that's why I love it. And that's why after I retired and had the proper time, I said, and you can check back to my very first video on this channel. Yeah, it was time for me to go back from where I started. And I started in the garden. That's where I started. Singing brought me so many places. I did so many things. Yeah, and I loved every minute of it. I loved it, absolutely. And I still do. I don't travel as much as I used to, but that was a chosen thing because of my grandchildren. But yeah, I'm glad to be back in my garden. Just like life, gardening is a growing thing every day. Every day there's something new and different that we learn about gardening, right? So you never get to be this expert master gardener that knows it all. No, you will not get there, because the first thing you should know is that gardening is nature. It is nature in raw. You know how you walk in the stores and you look at, let's say, some green onions. Let's just say green onions, and they all nice and clean, and the bottoms of where the roots are, they taken off. You know, they are beautiful, you know, packaged nicely. Well, no, you don't get that in your garden. You are the packager. Okay? You are the one that does the packaging. So all of the yucky stuff, as some people may say, you must take care of that. You must take care of that, right? So the food tastes like no other. You know, many people have never ever tasted a real tomato. They have never tasted a real beet. The only beet they ever taste was those red sliced beets in a can. That's what they did. That's the only beets they ever taste. Yep. But as a gardener, and this is the thing about seeds, we can go and pay, let's say 20 cents for a pack of seeds. Let's say you have 20 seeds, but mainly is more. And you can grow that thing and it will taste like no other. No other. Yes, but you must put in the time. You must be patient. Yes, because the garden, as I said, is nature. It's just nature. And nature is all about God's business, period. So, like it is said that certain fruits or vegetables, don't plant them at certain times because of the weather. Well, we all know the weather is all about God. It's just what it is. But we can make ourselves stronger, healthier, because this is what our Father have put on this earth for us to eat. If you think about it, I want you to think about this. Almost everything we eat comes from a seed. Now you may be thinking, well, I eat cow and I eat pig and da. But if you think about many of the foods that a cow eat, it is grown from a seed. It is grown from a seed. And we ourselves are from a seed. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to know. So tell me, why are you gardening? Yay. All right, let me get busy. I need to go and clean this bed. Check it out. This is the bed that's going down today. Let's get busy, y'all. I wanted you all to see that this is some morning glories that I had growing over here last season. Look at that. They're all on this fence. Look at her. They're just waiting. Yeah, I have a lot of them. So I'm going to just take them off after I finish planting everything. Because last season I had morning glories growing all up with the corn. So we're gonna do it again. All right, guys, so I was working hard in my garden and two people showed up in my garden today. Jody and Jada.
Yes.
You gonna say hello to everybody?
Hi, guys.
What's up? So where y'all going? I know y'all going somewhere.
We're going to look for some crab.
Oh.
Right, Taylor?
You need some ball crab?
Ball crab.
Why? I mean,
Because
what's
I've
the
seen 2 videos. And now I ain't going to be right till I get the crab.
Oh.
I've seen one and I'm still, I need
So what they was eating? Snow crabs or blue
Snow
crabs?
crabs and shrimp. So that's what we going for.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Go for it,
And I
girl.
want them salty.
Oh no.
I do.
Oh no.
I need a piece of salt every now and then again. Every now and then again. Need a
Oh.
little piece of salt.
Oh.
So that's what we're going.
Spicy, not salty.
You like
Yeah.
yours a little
She
spicy?
like spicier than me.
Really?
Well.
Josh, and what about Jay?
They don't like them.
No.
Now he don't like them fried, shrimp fried.
Yeah.
But boiled,
No. But Josh like them boiled.
yeah.
Yeah.
You like spicy too.
We save him sometimes.
It's girl day, huh?
Yeah.
I love your shirt, Jada. Let me see. Let me see, move your hair. It say, the cool thing about my dad is basically everything. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. All right, guys. They just wanted to say hello. Now let them go.
Bye,
All right. Bye, y'all. Y'all, maybe y'all see some raw shrimp from me. Y'all pick that up for me.
Raw shrimp?
Heads on.
Okay.
Heads on. All right, guys. So this is those little bird feeders I shared with you all. And this is the cage I bought that they go into, and then you hang them up, and yeah, the birds, they eat them. So I'm gonna put them up, but not now, y'all. It's lunchtime, and it's time for me to go inside. It's time for me to go and fix myself something to eat and to relax. It looks like we're gonna have some rain, and for what I see, we're gonna have rain. So yeah, I'm not gonna water the corn. I'm gonna see if the rain do it, and if it don't rain by this evening, I will water it. Yeah. All right, everybody. I've had a wonderful morning with you all. I thank you all for hanging out with me today. Damn, all greasy. I'm going in and get me a nice shower, fix me some lunch, and chill out for a little while. Looks like we're gonna get some rain though. Yeah, that's why I didn't water my corn. But anyway, you all have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday, and we will talk soon. Later, y'all.